गुड मॉर्निंग। लास्ट सेशन एनी अंदर આપણે એપી એનો સેકન્ડ ટાઈપ કમ્પ્લીટ કરેલો હતો। નાઉ ટાઈપ 3 ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ સમ ઓફ n ટર્મ્સ ઓફ એપી। સૌથી પહેલા આપણે એનું ઇક્વેશન જોઈ લઈએ। સમ મીન્સ Sn। વોટ ઇઝ Sn? Sn ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ n ડિવાઇડેડ બાય 2 n ડિવાઇડેડ બાય 2 મલ્ટીપ્લાઇડ બાય 2a પ્લસ n માઇનસ 1 ઇન્ટુ d। ધીસ ઇઝ ધ ઇક્વેશન ઓફ સમ। એનું સેકન્ડ ઇક્વેશન પણ છે। ઓર જ્યારે આપણે લાસ્ટ ટર્મ ખબર હોય ત્યારે વેન લાસ્ટ ટર્મ ઇઝ ગીવન ઓર નોન, લાસ્ટ ટર્મ આપણે ખબર હોય ત્યારે આ ઇક્વેશનનો પણ યુઝ કરી શકીએ। Sn ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ n બાય 2 મલ્ટીપ્લાઇડ બાય a પ્લસ l। વોટ ઇઝ a? a ઇઝ ફર્સ્ટ ટર્મ। વોટ ઇઝ l? l મીન્સ લાસ્ટ ટર્મ। What is n? n means number of observation. What is d? d means common difference. Okay, now start our type 3 first example। First example, find out sum of following progression 100 plus 93 plus 86 plus 77 બધા વચ્ચેનો ડિફરન્સ 7 નો છે, એટલે એપી આપેલું છે, એનો આપણે સમ કરશું એ 100। કોમન ડિફરન્સ ધેટ ઇઝ સેકન્ડ ટર્મ માઇનસ ફર્સ્ટ ટર્મ ધેટ ઇઝ 93 માઇનસ 100 ધેટ ઇઝ 7। વોટ ઇઝ n? સમ ઓફ 20 ટર્મ ધેટ ઇઝ 20। નાઉ પુટ ધ ઇક્વેશન ઓફ Sn। Sn ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ n બાય 2 મલ્ટીપ્લાઇડ બાય 2a plus n minus 1 into d। What is n? S20, that is n is equal to 20 divided by 2, 2a, a means 100, n means 20, minus, this is minus 7, 20 minus 1 multiplied by minus 7, 20 by 2 that is 10, 2 multiplied by 100 that is 200, 20 minus 1 that is 90 multiplied by minus 7, 19 multiplied by minus 7, 19 multiplied by minus 7 that is 133 minus 200 minus 133, 10 multiplied by 200 minus 133 that is 67, 67 multiplied by 10 that is 670। So S20 એટલે કે 20 ટર્મનો સમ થશે 670। Now next example number 2 7 plus 14 plus 21 plus 28 up to 18th term એટલે કે સૌથી પહેલા આપણે 18 ની ટર્મ ફાઇન્ડ કરવાની છે। ફાઇન્ડ સમ ઓફ 18 ટર્મ એટલે કે 18 ટર્મનો સમ પણ ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનો છે અને 18th ની ટર્મ પણ ફાઇન્ડ કરવાની છે। સૌથી પહેલા a ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ આપણે આપેલા છે 7, d મીન્સ કોમન ડિફરન્સ ધેટ ઇઝ d, 14 માઇનસ 7 ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 7, n ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 18। સૌથી પહેલા આપણે ટર્મ ફાઇન્ડ કરી લેશું। tn ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ a પ્લસ n માઇનસ 1 ઇન્ટુ d। T18 is equal to 7 plus 18 minus 1 into D7, 7 plus 17 multiplied by 7, 7 plus 17 multiplied by 7 that is 119 plus 7 that is T18, 119 plus 7 that is 126। Okay. So our progression will be 7, 14, 28 અને લાસ્ટમાં શું આવશે 126 કારણ કે 18મી ટર્મ શું છે 126। Here last term we know, this is our last term। So we have two equation to find out sum। આપણે બે સમ ઇક્વેશનથી ફાઇન્ડ કરશું અને બેયનો આન્સર હંમેશા સેમ જ આવે। સૌથી પહેલા તો ફર્સ્ટ ઇક્વેશન Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d। S18 n 18 by 2 2a is 7 and 18 minus 1 multiplied by 7. 18 by 2, that is 9. 2 multiplied by 7, that is 14. 17 multiplied by 7, we have already 17 multiplied by 7, that is 119. This is 17 multiplied by 7, 119, plus 14 multiplied by 9, 119, plus 14, 133, multiplied by 9, that is 1197, 1197. We have another equation also, that is when last term is known. What is equation? Sn n by 2 a plus l. S18, 18 by 2, first term 7, last term we have find out. We already find 126. 126. 18 by 2, that is 9. 126 plus 7. 126 plus 7, that is 133. 133 multiplied by 9, that is 11. 133 multiplied by 9, that is 1197. 1197. This is also equal to 1197 because 133 multiplied by 9, 1197. From both equation we already find our answer and both are equal. Now next, third example, 7 plus 19 by 2 plus 12 up to 30 term. A is equal to 7, D is equal to 19 by 2 minus 7, that is 19 minus 2 multiplied by 7, 14 divided by 2. 19 minus 14, that is 5 by 2, and n 30. Now put the equation of Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N is S30 we have to find. So 30 divided by 2, 2 multiplied by 7 plus 30 minus 1 multiplied by 5 by 2. 30 divided by 2, that is 15. 2 multiplied by 4, that is 14. 30 minus 1, that is 29 multiplied by 5 by 2. This is 5 by 2. Okay. 15, 14 plus 25 multiplied by 29 multiplied by 5, that is 145 divided by 2. 145 divided by 2. 15. 2 take LCM, take 2 as LCM, 14 multiplied by 2, that is 28 plus 145. 15. 28 plus 145, that is 173. 173 divided by 2. Now 173 multiplied by 15 divided by 2, that is 1297.5. 1297.5. This is S30. This is our answer. Next, D. A 0, D common difference, second term minus first term 4p minus 4p minus 0, that is minus 4p. We have to find out sum of 11 term. So n is equal to 11. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 11 divided by 2, 2a 0, n 11 minus 1 multiplied by minus 4p. 11 by 2, 2 multiplied by 0, that is 0. 11 minus 1, that is 10 multiplied by minus 4p. 11 by 2, 0 plus 10 multiplied by minus 4p, that is minus 40p, plus 0, that is minus 40p, 2 multiplied by minus 40 divided by 2, that is minus 20, 11 multiplied by minus 20p, 11 multiplied by minus 20, 220 minus p. This is your answer. Next, E. Last of this type, A 1025, D 1030 minus 1025, that is 5, N 16th term and sum of 60 term, એટલે કે n is equal to 60. Now સૌથી પહેલા આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કરશું 16th term. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, t16 1025 plus 16 minus 1 into 5, 1025 plus 15 multiplied by 5, 1025 plus 75, that is 1100. This is T16, our first answer. Now S16, Sn is equal to, here last term is known, so our second equation, n by 2 a plus l, n S16 16 by 2, a is equal to 1025, last term 1100, 8, 1025 plus 1100, that is 2125 multiplied by 8, 2125 multiplied by 8, that is 17,000. This is our answer, S16. So here our type 3 is completed. In next session we will start our next type, that is type 4. Thank you.